In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a workspace in ClickUp. If you need to update your workspace name to better match your team, your brand, or a new project focus, ClickUp makes the process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, open ClickUp and look toward the upper left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your current workspace name. Click on that name to open the workspace menu. This is where you can access several options related to your workspace, including the settings you'll need for this update. Once the workspace menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your workspace where administrative and general configuration options are located. If you don't immediately see the section you need, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully. Next, under the Admin section, click General. This area contains the core details for your workspace, including the name and other high-level settings. If you have permission to manage the workspace, you should be able to access and edit this section without any issue. Now, find the workspace name field. This is the field that displays the current name of your workspace. Before making any changes, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that you're editing the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one in ClickUp. When you're ready, delete the existing name and type in your new workspace name. Make sure the new name is clear, accurate, and easy for your team to recognize. Choosing a name that reflects your company, department, or workflow can help keep things organized and make navigation easier for everyone using the platform. After entering the new name, click Save Changes. This will apply the update and rename the workspace. Once saved, the new name should appear throughout ClickUp wherever that workspace is listed. And that's it. Renaming a workspace in ClickUp only takes a few moments once you know where to find the setting. Just open your workspace menu, go to Settings, select General under Admin, update the workspace name field, and save your changes. Thanks for watching.